Hey, honey, can you pass me the knife, please?
Sure, baby, but careful. You're always cutting those veggies too fast.
Oh, stop it, Jack. I can handle it.
Haha, I'm just worried about you.
You should focus on your meat, chef. It smells amazing already.
Oh yeah, you notice? This sauce is magic. I call it Jack's secret recipe.
Oh my, last time your secret was just ketchup and butter.
Hey, I was in a hurry that time, darling. I'm serious this time.
Let's see if it tastes serious, too.
All right, so what's your dish tonight, baby?
Pasta with vegetables. I want something light and healthy to balance your meat mountain.
Hey, protein is life. You'll thank me later.
I did not say I do not like it. Oh, smell that sauce. It's so rich.
Told ya, I'm a pro. Here, taste this sauce.
Oh, wow, Jack. It's so delicious.
Anything from my queen. Dinner time is almost ready.
Let's plate the food nicely. I want it to look fancy.
Like a restaurant at home? Haha, I like that.
Yeah, add some parsley on top. It looks pretty.
Done. Oh wow, it really looks tasty.
I'm proud of us, honey. We make a great team.
Cooking with you is the best part of my day. And now, let's eat before it gets cold.
All right, all right. Cheers to love and tasty food.
Cheers to us, baby.
All right, Ryan, pass me the wrench, please. This big one? The medium one, man. You always grab the wrong size. Oh, come on, I'm not too familiar with this. Ha, sure. Now, hold this brake pedal for me. Done. Wow, it feels kind of stiff. Is that normal? Nope, that's the problem. The brake needs fixing. Oh, man. Should we call a professional? Relax. I've done this 100 times. Go grab the oil can, will ya? Got it. Man, this garage smells like our childhood. Yeah, all that oil, metal, and chaos brings back memories. Remember when we tried to fix our bikes? Oh yeah, we ended up with a pile of parts. Well, now we're actually fixing a car for her. Time really does fly. That's life, buddy. Okay, try pressing the brake again. Oh, it feels smoother now. Nice, we're getting there. One more adjustment. You really know your stuff, Tom. I'm impressed. That's my job. Years of fixing multiple cars with multiple issues. That's my brother. Should we do an oil change while we're at it? Not a bad idea. Grab that container under the shelf. Got it. Wow, this oil looks old. Ugh, well, the smell is strong. It's fine, Ryan. You just never get too close to oil. Okay, we're done. High five. Man, that feels good. High five. Mom will be able to drive at ease now. She's gonna be proud of us. Yeah, let's go tell her and beg her to make pancakes for lunch. Aha, I knew it. That's the real reason you helped, huh? You know me too well, bro. Mom's pancakes are the best. Ha, can't blame you. All right, let's go ask for those pancakes.
Lily, hurry up. Mom will be here in an hour. Relax, sis. It's a whole hour. We've got time. Time? Look at this mess. This disaster will take us hours to clean. Oh, come on. It's just a little dust. A little dust? You don't know Mom like I do. She notices everything. Okay. I'll dust faster. Don't just wipe the front. Do the corners too. Ugh, you sound exactly like Mom right now. Maybe because I don't want her to sound like that later. Fine. I'll be extra careful today. Good. Now hand me the vacuum cleaner. Here you go. Wait, it's not plugged in. Oh no, where's the socket? Behind the sofa. Want me to crawl there? Yes, please. You're smaller and faster. Ugh, you always say that when there's hard work. Please, my dearest little sister. You're terrible. Okay, plugged in. Go, vacuum queen. Aw, you are the best. Ew, what's this? A sock? Ew, it looks like it's been there for months. Throw it away, please. Okay, we're almost done. Should I light a candle? Make it smell nice? Great idea. And put those fresh flowers on the table. Done. Wow, it actually looks pretty now. See? We make a great team when you stop joking. And when you stop panicking, Miss Perfect. Hey, I just like things tidy. Mom raised us that way.
She always said a clean home means a happy heart.
Yeah, and I kind of get that now. Me too. It feels peaceful, doesn't it? Mom's gonna be so proud.
All right, Jake, pass me the shovel. Let's get this started. Here you go, boss. Wow, this Gordon soil smells fresh. Yeah, it's good soil. Dad bought the premium type or something, I think.
He says that every time he goes shopping. I can hear his voice right now.
Me too. Okay, dig small holes here for the tomato plants.
Got it. How deep should I go?
Not too deep, just enough for the roots to sit nicely.
Like this?
Perfect. You're learning, bro.
Of course. Dad always says I've got a green thumb.
Your green thumb killed 3 cactuses last year.
Hey, those cactuses were dramatic. Not my fault. I water them every day.
Probably that's why they were all gone.
Hey, focus on planting these tomato seeds first. Good. Make sure the seeds are spaced out. Don't crowd them. All right, everyone needs space. Hand me the watering can, please. Here, careful, it's full. Don't spill it on your shoes again. Okay, I'll water the roses too. They look dehydrated. Not too much water. They don't like drowning. Got it. A gentle shower, like Dad does. Do you little guys like it? Aw, you sure do.
Man, I miss Dad. He always talks to the plants like they're old friends.
And somehow his plants always grow better than ours. Maybe they really like his voice.
Keep it short, Jake. My back already hurts.
Come on, we're almost done. These tomato plants look healthy already.
Yeah, Dad'll be proud. I can't wait to see his face when he gets back.
All right, last step. Let's clean the tools and call it done.
Leave it for me.
Mark, be honest. When was the last time you cleaned the kitchen?
Does wiping the counter with a napkin count?
No, my dear.
Hey, I'm a busy man. Work, emails, meetings, life's tough.
Life's tough for everyone, mister. I have a job too.
Okay, guilty as charged.
We need a better system, Mark. I can't do everything.
I know, honey, I'm sorry. The past few weeks were pretty tough for me. All right, let's share the chores.
Perfect. I'll write it down. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you handle the dishes.
Deal. Laundry?
We have a washing machine and a dryer now, and the kids can help with that. They love sorting the clothes, too.
Fine by me. I always mix up colors anyway.
All right. With you helping, I have more time to cook better food for us.
I like the sound of that.
Now, the 1 per week task. Wednesday, dusting and organizing the shelves.
Sounds boring, but I'll take it.
Thursday, bathroom cleaning.
No, not the bathroom.
Okay, I'll do it.
Sounds like a great plan so far. I will try my best, darling. I hate seeing you exhausted.
And I hate nagging you all the time.
Then let's fix it together. Balance is the key. Now, do you want to have a cup of coffee?
Aw, you will make it for me?
My pleasure. You're my kind of boss, honey.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what do you often do with your family? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.